Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is the February 7th. It's 9:10. It's too early for me to get ready, but today is an off for me, so I'm going out, and my cousins are coming out with me because they become the bakras whenever I am on my week off. Bizarre, but they're so sweet. They always come with me whenever I ask. So for a little support system. So yeah. And I'm almost here in my house. I freshened up, I got ready. I'm wearing this white and black situation. I don't know whether it looks good or no, but I'm gonna figure it out a little later, because I'm not somebody, see the thing is, I'm not somebody who's a tomboyish look. I can't pull it off. I feel like I'm butchering the style so badly. So I like getting ready more feminine, pretty. That is mostly my thing. It's not like tomboys are not pretty, but I can't get ready like a tomboy. Whenever I get ready like that, it makes me look like I am a homeless person who has no clothes and he's literally picked up whatever is there in the house. So, but Lalit likes that situation. So he's like, no, go like this, it's pretty. So we'll see about that, because I do not want any stares or weird looks, because I don't know where we're going. So yeah. Alright, I'm getting ready. It's going to be a speed through process for you guys, but I'm using all of my Project Pan items. I hope you guys watched that video. If you did not, I'll leave it up in the cards. It's a very simple idea of using up your makeup before they run out of it, because you're wasting a lot of product. So yeah, let's go with the makeup.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, screaming.
Hi guys, hello. We're at QUTUB SHAHI Tombs. The idea is to cover QUTUB SHAHI Tombs and Golconda together. I don't know whether we can. Okay, right. Hi Pranav. Hey. Hello. Alright, we're here in QUTUB SHAHI Tombs. So we wanted to cover both Golconda. I told this before. What am I repeating myself? Anyways, yeah, we're trying to cover both of them together. So we're rushing over it because we have to. But it's so pretty. Wait, let me show you the. See, I came here in 2016, if I'm not wrong. I came here in 2016 with my friend. I'll post a picture over here. That was how we looked then. And today again, coincidentally wore black again. I wore this friend's shirt from, I want to say, H&M. My pants are from Mart and my shoes are from Skechers. My bag is also from H&M. Really love this one. Really pretty. I cannot get over how beautiful this is. It's so beautiful and pretty. Alright, let me take you guys along. Alright, so we're trying to change the plan because we want to spend a little more time in QUTUB SHAHI, and covering both and going back before the sunset is not possible. Hello. I don't know where we're going after this, but a little sunny. I do have my sunglasses, but I feel like I'm overdressed for sunglasses here, so I'm not wearing them. So ignore my pretty face.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt.
Hi guys, I like the view behind me, but I'm a little low on energy today. I don't know why. So yeah, I don't think you'll be seeing very happy, fun and flirty vlogs because I don't have the energy today. I feel something. I don't know. I feel a little low, but I'm not sure. But I love the place. The place is beautiful. I'm trying to take in as much as birds chirping as possible. But look how beautiful it is. Till the farthest till the farthest corner your eye can see, it's completely tombs, nothing else. It's really pretty. I really like it. I think this is the second time we came here and it's beautiful. It's obviously beautiful. There are some restoration works that are going on. So yeah. And also about the entrance, that's 10 rupees for adult and 50 rupees for a still camera or a photograph, like mobile phones and all of that. So yeah.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gonna have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your
తింటున్నప్పుడు ఎవరైనా తీస్తారా?
ఇవే పెడుతుంది ఆమె సూపర్ కూడా పెట్టదు డైరెక్ట్ సీన్ లోనే పెడుతుంది మొన్నటి దాకా బుజ్జికి బలైంది.
Hello. We're here at the food court of In Orbit and this is my first time trying momos. Like I did try momos when my brother made it in the house, but I've never eaten like outside momo situation. That had never happened. So we're getting some momos from Wow Momo. I don't know how it is. Too much momo in the talk, but so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I am waiting. There you can see my lovely ladies are coming. So yeah.
You're taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to your clean clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gonna me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby.
First time trying ramen kadara. How's it? Ramen you ate
రామన్ కాదు ఇది.
kada noodles ena.
రామన్ లేదు.
Pranatika, how's momos? Bagunnaya?
ఎట్లుంది అసలు?
This is the first time I'm trying to eat a momo outside. I've never eaten bahar ka momos. I think my brother's made momo once. Fine, let me try.
అది ఎరగొట్టకుండా ఎట్లా తింటుంది?
అదే కదా
Bayangandra
స్మెల్
Pranav.
పడలేక దిలే అనుకున్నా
So bad.
అయితే
Just tastes like maida. Maybe I'll have the fried one. This is the fried momo. Let's try this. Maybe it's different.
బాగానే ఉంది మరి అంత తెలిసిన లేదు చెప్తున్నాను
This is better. This is much better. But I don't think I'm a momo fan because it's okay.
ఇచ్చాడేమో.
I don't know I don't know why it is so hyperly rated. Maybe because of the K-dramas, but
Send it down like a sweet and ready. Boss her, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping
మా ఇంట్లో చేసుకుంటే బాగుంది కదా లేదు కొంచెం
too bad. I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad. I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time.
how do you feel after betraying your sister? Sephora?
వద్దులే, వద్దు మళ్ళీ.
స్కీమ్ సరిగ్గా చేయట్లే నేను కూడా స్టీమ్ కూడా బాగుంటాయి
కన్నా బయట మొమ్మస్ బాగుంటుంది.
స్టీమ్ కూడా బయట బాగుంటాయి బట్ ఫ్రైడ్ బాగుంది ఇక్కడ ఫ్రైడ్ బాగుంది
కాకినాడలో పెట్టుకున్నట్లే మీరు కదా.
How I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. Where you telling me you want me down. Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind.
Boba tea. I'm trying boba for the first time. I followed so many American vloggers that who love boba. Like they have it like a early morning coffee situation. There's Remy, there's Alicia, there's Miss Tiffany Ma and all of those. So I'm trying to taste boba and I hopefully wish to like it. I'm very picky with my cool drink situations. So yeah. Oh, it's disgusting. Disgusting. I'm gonna gag myself to death. Try. Pranav, try.
స్వీట్ లేదా?
Hey, Tagra.
ఏదో తేడా తేడా ఉంది.
Try, ra. Try. Pranav, how do you like it? Video teda can try. It's disgusting.
మరి కిందకి పెట్టక ఈ నోట్లోకి పోతున్నాయి బోగలు చేయాలి ఎట్లా తింటారేమో
ఇది ఇక్కడ అయిపోయింది లా. అది తీసా వీడియోలో.
I've ordered the strawberries and cream. This is my safest choice. I really like this. So everybody's ordered different things. We're gonna try swapping and seeing how far it is. Okay. Let's go.
స్ట్రాబెరీ విత్ గ్రీన్ టీ అనుకుంటా.
I think so. And Mickey, no? What did you order?
Hibiscus and lemon.
Hibiscus and passion lemonade, whatever that is. Out of all of this, this is my favorite. I love this one so much. Strawberries and cream is my go-to at Starbucks, and I think I like the double chocolate chip as well. But yeah, the hibiscus one and the green tea one, I cannot even eat it. I am going to gag myself if I drink that. Okay, what is your opinion? What is the best drink you've had? Double chai. Pranati? What is the best drink you had? ఇక్కడ స్టార్బక్స్ చెప్పే డబుల్ చాక్లెట్ నీకు
Double chocolate chip and also
థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రణవ్
రాస్బెర్రీ అండ్ డబుల్ చాక్లెట్.
ఓవరాల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది ఇవాళ
పొద్దున వాచిపోయింది సాయంత్రం తింది